Hello everyone, Godwin here and welcome to my channel. Having been in the Forex industry for half a decade, I will take you through a journey that will assist you to kickstart your trading career. We'll be diving into Forex trading and I can't wait to answer all the questions you might have about Forex. Probably most of you have heard about Forex and you wonder, what is Forex? How does it work? And how can I make money? I will explain all this in less than 10 minutes. Just like Isaac Newton said, nature is pleased with simplicity. In today's video, we'll focus on three main topics. The first one will be what is Forex. The second one will be understanding the Forex market. And the third one will be how to make money in Forex. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's start by defining what Forex is. Forex is an abbreviation for foreign exchange. It's basically the conversion of one currency into another. It's the largest and most liquid market in the world, and it trades an average of $6.6 trillion worth of Forex transactions every single day. All these transactions usually take place on what's called the interbank market. And as traders, knowing this information, it gives us confidence that we won't have any problem getting our orders filled. The US dollar, being the most traded currency, takes a percentage of 84.9% of all transactions, followed by the euro at 39.1% and the yen at 19%. You'll find that most traders use pairs that have the US dollar. And the reason behind this is because there's more price activity going on. An example of this would be Euro USD or GBP USD and many more. Let's get to understand the Forex market, and I'll start by defining what a Forex market is. The Forex market is a global market that allows one to trade two currencies against each other. Traders use information that they gather from technical analysis and fundamental analysis to predict these fluctuations. Let's say you think one currency will be stronger than the other, and you end up correct. Then you make a profit. It's through this change in the exchange rate that allows you as a trader to make money. An exchange rate is the relative price of two currencies from two different countries. Let's take a look at a practical example. Let's say you plan to travel to another country. You will find a currency exchange booth at the airport, and you will need to exchange your local currency to the currency of the country you're visiting. Having done this, you will have participated in Forex. Let's get to understand how to read a currency quote. So what is a currency pair? A currency pair is nothing more than the exchange rate between two different countries. Currencies are always quoted in pairs, such as GBP USD or Euro USD. The reason why currencies are always quoted in pairs is because in every foreign exchange transaction, you're simultaneously buying one currency and selling another. Whenever you have an open position in Forex trading, you are exchanging one currency for another. Most of you will wonder, how do you know which currency you are buying and which you are selling? This is where the concept of base and quote currency comes in. The first listed currency to the left of the slash is known as the base currency, and in this example, the euro. This is the reference element for the exchange rate of the currency pair. It always has a value of 1. The second listed currency on the right is called the counter or the quote currency, and in this case, the US dollar. Finally, let's discuss about the most interesting part of this video, and that is how to make money in Forex. First, you should determine whether you want to buy or sell. Let's say in this case you want to buy, which actually means buy the base currency and sell the quote currency. In this case, you'll want the base currency to rise in value, and then you'll sell it back at a higher price. In trader's talk, this is called going long or taking a long position. Just remember, long is the same as buy. Let's assume you want to sell, which actually means sell the base currency and buy the quote currency. In this case, you'll want the base currency to fall in value, and then you'll buy it back at a lower price. This is called going short or taking a short position. Just remember, short is the same as sell. Most of you will wonder, how do traders know when to buy or sell? Excellent question. This is where the concept of technical analysis and fundamental analysis comes in. We'll discuss about this more as we continue with the course. Retail traders are able to participate in the forex market with the help of forex trading providers. As forex traders, we're able to trade forex at the comfort of our homes with the use of different forex brokers. Forex trading providers trade in the primary OTC market on your behalf. They find the best available prices and then add a markup before displaying the prices on their trading platforms. Let's take a look at a practical example. Let's say a retail store buys goods from a wholesale market. They usually add a markup and then show a retail price to their customers. This is exactly what happens with the brokers. Your profit or loss is dictated by how far the market moves in your favor before you close your position, and how much money you have bet per point of price movement. Now that we've understood how we make money in Forex, let's take a look at this practical example. And in this example, we will convert the dollars to the euro and the euros to the dollar. In this case, we want to acquire 10,000 euros. The first thing we need to know is the exchange rate between the euro and the dollar. In this example, we will have to give away $11,500 for us to be able to acquire 10,000 euros. Suppose after 2 weeks, the ER changed from 1.15 to 1.2. This means that we'll have to give away the 10,000 euros we acquired for us to be able to get the dollars back. Since the exchange rate has changed from 1.15 to 1.2, this means that we'll have to multiply 10,000 euros multiplied by 1.2 for us to be able to get $12,000. You can clearly see that we made a profit of $500, and this is how Forex works. In our next video, we will talk about Forex terminologies, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you.